Want to bring massive sound to every party and adventure? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Soundcore Rave 3S AI Karaoke Party Speaker, featuring powerful sound, deep bass, and immersive audio that fills any space with energy. With its dynamic LED light show, karaoke-ready setup, Bluetooth connectivity, long-lasting battery, and party-ready design, it's perfect for house parties, outdoor events, gatherings, and non-stop entertainment. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Soundcore Rave 3S speaker, wireless mics, AA alkaline batteries, USB Type-C charging cable, user manual and quick start guide. Product features. The speaker delivers powerful high-output audio with deep bass, clear vocals, and immersive stereo sound that easily fills large rooms and outdoor spaces. Its enhanced bass performance adds extra energy to music, making it ideal for parties, gatherings, karaoke nights, and everyday entertainment. It comes with AI-powered karaoke features that make singing more fun and interactive. It supports microphones for duet performances and group singing, while the AI vocal enhancement helps vocals sound clearer and more professional during karaoke sessions. Built-in LED lighting effects automatically sync with the beat of the music to create a vibrant party atmosphere. The colorful light patterns add extra excitement to songs and help turn any room, backyard, or event into a lively entertainment setup. Multiple lighting modes allow you to customize the visual experience to match different moods, music styles, and party environments. The long-lasting battery provides hours of continuous music playback, making the speaker reliable for extended parties, travel, and outdoor use. Bluetooth connectivity ensures a fast and stable wireless connection, allowing smooth music streaming from smartphones, tablets, and other compatible devices. Technical specifications. How to pair? Begin by downloading the Soundcore app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store. This app is essential for accessing full functionality, including sleep sound controls, customization options, and future firmware updates. Once installed, open the app and allow any required permissions for a smooth setup experience. First, press and hold the power button to turn on the device. Upon initial power on, the speaker will automatically enter Bluetooth mode. Turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone or device, search for the speaker in the available list, and select it to complete the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish setup and customize your sound, lighting, and other settings for the best experience. You can choose different sound modes, adjust lighting effects, and tweak basic preferences to match your style and mood for a more personalized listening experience. How to use? Press and hold the power button to turn on the speaker. To use the wireless microphone, press and hold the power button until the indicator light stays solid and the microphone connects successfully. Once connected, you can start using the karaoke features and voice controls directly from the microphone. Press the one-touch vocal removal button on the speaker to reduce or remove original vocals from songs, leaving mainly the background music for karaoke singing. The microphone also lets you choose among 4 levels of vocal removal to suit your preference. This helps create a more customizable karaoke experience for different songs and singing styles. Use the reverb knob to adjust the vocal echo effect for karaoke performances. Turn the knob clockwise to increase the reverb intensity or counterclockwise to reduce it. The speaker also includes separate volume and gain controls for microphones and guitars, allowing better control over sound levels and vocal clarity. Press the light effect button to switch between 8 preset lighting modes that sync with the music. The colorful LED effects help create a fun and energetic party atmosphere for indoor and outdoor events. You can also customize the lighting effects further through the companion app. Open the back cover and plug a microphone or guitar into the 6.35mm input port. Use the switch to select either microphone or guitar mode depending on the connected device. This allows the speaker to work for karaoke sessions, live performances, practice sessions, and entertainment setups. Press the Auracast button on each speaker to wirelessly connect them for a bigger stereo sound experience. Once connected, both speakers will synchronize their audio and lighting effects automatically. You can also double press the Auracast button to swap the left and right audio channels between the connected speakers. How to charge. Open the charging port cover and connect the included charging cable to the speaker. Plug the other end into a compatible power adapter or power source to begin charging. The battery indicator will show the charging status while charging is in progress. Once fully charged, disconnect the cable and close the port cover securely to help protect the speaker during everyday use and outdoor activities. Safety tips. Avoid overcharging. Keep away from water damage. Use certified chargers only. Avoid extreme temperatures. Handle with care. Store properly when not in use. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.